Dash. Where are you from? Just which side? What area? Asaba. You're Igbo? Yeah. Okay. Which song are you going to sing? Song for you. That is correct. Enjoy me and sing. Yes, sir. Ababola. How much is money? Money. Premium or nothing. Okay. Now you know. Now you know. Okay. Did you notice what happened there? The moment the Oba said, "Where are you from?" she said Asaba, or he said Asaba. The Oba confirmed, "You are Igbo." The Oba don't need to ask you question again whether he is or she is Igbo. He said, "You are Igbo." Quickly, they sang the song of Akanchawa, which signifies, okay, this is an Igbo person. But we know that it's an Igbo song. So you understand what happened there? The Oba confirmed where she came from. So the moment you mention Asaba, the Oba is trying to tell he or she, Asaba is Igbo. That is what the Oba confirmed. I respect that Oba. These are people who, this particular Oba now, Oni of Ife, they understand. When somebody calls you, sees you, and calls you by your surname, he knows your grandfather. He knows who you are. That is how this Oba, he's a young Oba, but full of wisdom. He has been gradually addressing things. I'm talking about the current Oni of Ife. A very nice person. They don't want to hide anything. They are telling you how they see you. For those who are pretending, who are Igbos outside Southeast, who are pretending that they are not Igbo. Even the Northerner, those ones you fear, those ones you are scared of, those ones you join to castigate the Igbo of Southeast, they still know you are Igbo. What they will do to Igbos of Southeast is what they will do to you. So stop deceiving yourself. They know who you are. The Oba addresses him the moment he said, "I am from Asaba." I think he or she went to do a presentation to the Oba. And the Oba looked at it. "Where are you from?" Asaba. "You are Igbo." Not, "Are you Igbo again?" No. He said, "You are Igbo." So, if you want, keep playing "I'm not Igbo." Your culture is Igbo. Everything you do is Igbo. Your food, your dressing, everything is Igbo. But just that your Igbo is different from the other Igbo. And if you come to Southeast, that is what you also see. Igbos have variations. Nsukka is different from Onitsha. Onitsha is different from Abakaliki, but they are all Igbo. It doesn't take you anything to switch from this to this to understand the other person. It's not like speaking another language. So, I want to tell you, whatever you claim to be does not change the real you. If Igbos are being punished, they know who the Igbos are. And that is why Nzogu, they called him Igbo Abi. When they say Igbo coup, among the major men who participated in the coup, Nzogu from Opanam Delta, they said it's an Igbo coup because of Nzogu, because of Ifa Juna of Onisha, where they also tried to claim. Note that down. Onisha is the same people with Opanam. Igbo, we admit they are Igbo, we agree with, we don't have any problem with that. So they tell you it's an Igbo coup because of these two major people. But today, they come in, somebody came to tell me Onisha, Onitsha, is a Bini word. Until I start to explain that there is Onisha in Ebonyi. I think there's Onisha in Imo State, Onchi. That's current spelling of Onisha. Is the white man's name given to it. The original spelling is Onitsha. And if you go to confirm this, if you go to Onisha, in Delta, you see Onisha Olona. They are still the same people. So, other Nigerians, other ethnicity, know who you are. If you like, keep deceiving yourself. Keep alienating yourself from the person you are. They know who you are. And when it comes to things that matter, they deal with you based on who you are. It is for you left for you to rather accept who you are or keep hiding yourself. This particular video is a lesson, a very important lesson. The Oba does not need to now ask, after she's or he or she said that from Asaba, the Oba did not need to ask again. The Oba just made what we call a confirmation. You are Igbo. Declaration. You are Igbo because you are from Asaba. Asaba is Igbo. Even though Asaba is the capital of Delta State, but Asaba is Igbo. The Igbo people. Anyway, this is where I will leave you on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Share this video widely. Bye-bye for now.